Hi, beautiful people of planet Earth. Here we go. I think I'm somewhere near. I haven't put the other two bars on because one is crooked. Actually, here we go, just to show you. One's bent. I didn't do that, it was already bent, so it's a bit awkward to get back on. And we got 1, 2, 3 have got the ends, which are got the screws in. I'm having trouble getting them out at the moment, so no panic on that. I just want to get back on and get it waterproofed and sealed. But if you can hear, it's pouring down, so I have to wait a minute. So I'll just show you what I've done. So took all the old stuff out, put the new stuff in, put the glass back in, flipped it over, squashed the glass down so it's got a good seal at the bottom, and then resealed, if you can see that, with a rubber compound all round. I'll go a bit slower if I can. There we go. That's all round, and then I trimmed it off using a penknife. So hopefully that should be pretty good. What I'm going to do then is put the rubber seal, the foam rubber seal on the outside, which I've got. Where have I put that? Somewhere. Anyway, yep, oh, it's inside the boat because it stinks. So this is one job. I'll film it, put it back on, but not long-winded. And then I've got, yeah, put the screws in, put the foam on. That's that job finished, and then we're going to start the lights and painting on the inside. Okay, window back on, piece of cake, four screws each side. And if you can see the lip and the lip there, it actually goes on the inside, so any rain will come round down the lip and run off. So this should be, in theory, before I put the foam on, totally watertight. Woohoo! So I got the foam to go on, the rubber to go on. What's that go? They're on the outside anyway, so brilliant. I think I've got all the clips on. I just got that to trim off, and I'll take that off because the whole boat's going to be sprayed anyway. Okay, I'll put the rubber on. I can't film it because I haven't got the tripod up here. Okay, extremely sticky. But it does finish it off. So what I'm going to do is just overcut a little bit and then squeeze it in. Okay, so what I did was just humped it back like a bit of a caterpillar, you can probably understand that, and then pushed that end in first, glued it, and then pushed it back, and that's it. Look at that. That is the window finished. Woohoo! I'm chuffed to pieces with that. Slow that down, and there's the join, which is at the bottom. So if I get out, you can see there. Look at that. Yep. Right, let's go and have a look on the inside. There we go. Actually, I think where's the other bit? All right. Okay. Oh, that's a bit of a tight fit, look. I might have to put a bit of a latch on that until it sort of wears down a little bit. Okay, so if you look in that corner, it needs to compress the rubber down and it'll close properly, but that's okay. I'll just put a weight on it for now. Okay, so that's the window finito.